welcome to the newest episode of the Drive Home Podcast. I'm your host, and I forgot to hit record until a little bit later, so whoops. But that's besides the point. I'm driving this podcast home. There was a bit of a storm earlier, though I think it's mostly passed. It was one of those storms you could tell it was coming, and then when it started, it was a downpour for like 20 minutes, and then it just went away. But yeah, no, I've been having a good time, I guess, with stuff. I've been getting back into a couple of older games that I haven't played in a while, and then I've been, well, just enjoying it. But yeah, no. I've been pretty relaxed couple of days, I guess. So I am preparing to go to like a convention thing. So money is going to be something I'm saving for. Going there in a month, and I've been trying to save, but I had to buy a Switch too, so I've been saving ever since then. Well, I've been saving since the Switch 2 was coming out, and I had an inkling of an idea that I might be going to, a convention, but I don't know, I just, just have my own struggles and stuff. Oh, that's some kind of police. I wonder what they're here for. Police or some kind of... something. But, oh, it's an ambulance. That's worse somehow. But, yeah, no, was it right here? Okay, so there's actual police as well. That's fun. But, sorry. I've been playing games, and then I watched the second half of Infinity Train Season 2, and then on a different day we watched the entirety of Season 3, because we had the time. And so I figure we'll probably do either the entirety of Season 4 or the first half of Season 4. Oh geez, traffic is terrible. But so my friend's really enjoying it, which is nice. And then we've kind of made plans to like watch more stuff, because we watched Avatar together, and then we're watching Infinity Train, and we watched Over the Garden Wall as well. And so we're kind of making a list of stuff that we want to watch. Well, I say we, but it's more like we each pick something. And then we'll watch it with the other person. So you know, right, so the games I've been playing recently that I've gone back to, I've gone back to Grounded, because Grounded 2 was announced, and then I believe I mentioned this in the last episode, unless if I was just thinking about making the last episode, didn't actually make it, but Code Vein, which Code Vein is also getting a sequel, and I'm really excited for that. So Code Vein is a basic rundown, just in case. Code Vein is a Souls-like. It's a bit more anime, and it's easier than most Souls games, in my opinion. Because I actually just beat it the other day. The DLC, the DLC they have is kicking my ass though. So it's not like, you know, easy, but it's you might get a deathless run if you're someone who no-lifes playing like Elden Ring or Dark Souls or something, because those games are a lot harder. So yeah, no, it's a great story. The DLC doesn't really add any story, it just adds some additional stuff to do, which I'm cool with. I really just like playing it. And so I don't think I beat it since last I've recorded, but ooh yeah. So, and I've been playing Grounded with a friend. He's the same friend who I'm watching this stuff with, and just generally he's not too. He doesn't like the. I guess it's hard to tell what we're supposed to do next, if that makes sense. With me, it's like I don't really care. I like the survival aspect of games, but I do kind of get what he means, where it's like it seems like we're really weak to be doing too much, honestly, and so just as a basic thing. So we met Burgle, or I guess we've gone to the Oak Tree Lab, we've gone to the Hedge Lab, and I had to look it up, but we're heading to the Pond Lab now. And my friend's in a rough spot because we play on a save where you kind of like drop your stuff in a backpack when you die, or some of it or something. And the big problem with that is my friend is currently going to drown underwater. So we found the Pond Lab, but we only really got like the breathing masks or whatever. So we're not we can't really do anything, and we didn't see any additional oxygen, and so I save scummed. And while I was underwater, I was able to get back to an air bubble before too long. So I'm currently able to play the game, but he is not, because if he does, he'll die. I mean, I don't actually know how this works. If you die from drowning, do you just drown? I think that's how it works, but I don't know. yeah, no, I guess the goal now is to get some like fish armor or something. Because we really had no idea what we were doing, and we hadn't even found the hedge lab until we started playing again. But he doesn't really like the slow grind, I guess, that we had going along with it. Because we were playing during like before it was officially release days. And I think we stopped playing before it actually became fully released, or at least right before the fully yoked update, which I think was the actual release update, or maybe it wasn't. I don't know. But what I do know is that I liked it and it was fun. And then, oh no, now I can't remember what it was called. There was another game. So it's a new game. It's like, what is it? It's like a Mech one, and we started playing it just last night, and it was really fun. Like, I didn't think he would like it. I downloaded it because it seemed fun. It just came out, and this is the 3rd of July, so like yesterday, 2 days ago or something. I don't know. Three days ago now? I don't know. Either way, really new, but it's like a mech PvP kind of game, and it has a couple different game modes and stuff. And there's something funny. I didn't realize it until after I had started playing it, played through the tutorial. But Hiroyuki Sawano actually has a song in it that I actually listened to. It's called Upgrade Ed, I guess. So it's Upgrade E, and then like the D is inside like brackets or something, which like classic Sawano style, honestly. I mean, if it was really classic Sawano style, it wouldn't look anything like an actual word. It would look like some kind of weird coding, but you know, either way. So I guess I've been enjoying that. Played a little bit of it. The little bit that I played like one normal match after the tutorial, and then I played two normal matches, and then I played 2 of the point extraction game mode they have. It's the one where you have to find loot on an island and then leave with it, or whatever. But it's a big map, and then there are other players you can encounter, but there's also like NPCs. And so I did a couple of rounds of that with my friend. So really, really fun. I really like it. I think it's an Xbox. I want to say it's an Xbox exclusive, but it might be like a Microsoft exclusive, or it might not be one at all. Either way, I really like it. And the fact that I didn't remember, oh dear lord, what is it called? It has Mecha or Mech in the name. I think it has Mecha in the name. Jeez, guy, come on. The speed limit is 50 and you're going 30. There you go. Jeez. What is it called? It's like something Mecha. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. I don't know, but the name of the song has there's not the name of the game in it, but it does contain, if I can see the song, it says what the song is in, but you could just look it up. It came out really recently. I should know this. I mean, I should. I played the game. I can't remember. I honestly can't. It's on Xbox Game Pass, I guess. That's either that or it's a free game. I think it's on Game Pass. It's really fun. There are a bunch of mechs you can get from the beginning, and then there are 3 mechs that you don't own for the get-go, but you can earn them for free by just playing the normal matches. You get red, and then there's like an in-game community. You can get the premium currency. So there's like a betting market type thing that you can do. So like you can like try and sell your stuff, and it's like a betting market. So like people will bet on it. So that's how that works. But I don't really know how to use it. All I know is that it exists. But you can you customize your own like human to pilot the mechs, and then you can like I haven't done much of it, but there's ways you can customize your mech. It's like I don't know if you can get different like helmets or something, but you can like recolor it. But you know, I don't know. I've just been having a great time playing games. And you know, I'm really excited to get home so I can play more. So then, you know, it's kind of iffy outside. Like it's bright out, but it's also looking like it might still have some rain left in it. That, and I mostly just want to be home. Okay, sweet. I'm trying to think. Something mecha. Like, it's like a short word. And it's not a common word. Or it's a very common word. Is it Mecha or is it just Mech, honestly? It might just be Mech, but I'm pretty sure it's Mecha. But I honestly can't think of it. It's fun. I had to rebind some of my controls, like, I guess because it's a Chinese game or something, they use different controls. Like the attack button was left trigger, and the, I guess, sub item, which could include a shield, was right trigger, which I'm cool with a shield being right trigger, but not when my attack, which can also be a melee weapon or a gun, is left trigger. That kind of throws me off. So I had to rebind that. But you know, really fun. I might be getting Night Rain soon. My friend's been getting into it, and he has it on PlayStation, and it's not cross-compatible. So, but he has another friend, and another friend. So we have a mutual friend who is playing with him on PlayStation, and they might the my friend and our mutual friend, they have a buddy who also doesn't have PlayStation, but they do have an Xbox. They're considering getting Night Rain on the Xbox anyway. So if they do, I could play with them. I mean, obviously not in a 4-person, but because I'm pretty sure it's 3-player. But and I'm not even the biggest fan of PvP. I'm not super good at Elden Ring, Souls-like games. I wonder if Elden Ring being as big as it is will affect the Souls-like sort of naming thing. Like, would they call it well, I guess it wouldn't be ring-like. I guess you can combine them too. So it's like Elden Souls-like or something. It's kind of cool. Anyway, that's really all the time I have. But wait, I wonder if I can pause this and then look it up.